What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a Kia Sorento. It's probably the same for first thing you want to do is just come to your vehicle. If you have a push start, you're going to want to push the push start to turn your vehicle on. And then you're going to want to turn it back to like the on position and press up on your windshield wiper handle. So on a key start, you just want to come in, turn your key forward. You'll hear like the noises like that. Turn it back off until it's in the on position. Press your piece up like that and hold it. And like that, now your windshield wipers will be in a position to where you can change them out. Now I'm going to show you how you would change them. All right, folks, so once you got your windshield wipers up in your window, now what you want to do is just lift them up like that. You want to come lift up your windshield wiper like that. Come up underneath here is a little button. You can zoom up, you should be able to see. You want to squeeze that in pretty much and just pull it down on your windshield wipers. Just like that. That's what I was pressing in on. Then when you got your new windshield wipers, you want to come, same way, have your J hook up like that. You see this? Come up underneath there and just snap up like that and go ahead and put your windshield wipers down. You're pretty much done. All right, folks, once again, this is how you be changing out your windshield wipers on a Kia Sorento. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.